All right, afternoon snack, Rice Chex, 2% milk, some my Darigold, and a Sweet and Low packet. My voice is a little off. I got back from my walk around. It was my first Adam Peaty inspired walk around, and I chose that because it was raining. Light rain, medium-sized raindrops. When I was out there. My first Noah Lyles inspired runner walk around was Friday, 16 February 2024. Today is Monday, 19 February 2024. So one serving of Rice Chex. Here it is. And then, I'll be back. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. I'm Tanis Leonhardi. It's my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And I was out there, so my walk around, 5.80 mile. 3.6 total, 3.64, and then half a cup of milk, which I just put in. 3.64 miles running, 2.16 miles walking. It was a 62.50, and my averages were... I really screwed up on the walking. My averages were like 17.9 minutes per mile. I was really slow on walking today. And I knew that heading out. I was trying to get my music to work, and I was like, I could just leave it be. I've been doing fine without music, but instead I fussed with it, and it added like a lot of time per mile average. My running was still good. It's like 6 minutes and 30 seconds, something like that. Somewhere between 6:30 and 6:40 per mile average for the running. So that was good. But the walking was like, I really screwed that up there at the beginning. Like, so like my minute or two of time added was literally in the first like 0.15 miles. All right, so I'm soaking the Rice Chex. This is something I've done on my channel, this YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, a few times before. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to tear this and do that. So for my first Noah Lyles inspired walk around on Friday, it was a season best 2024 year. Season best time, 58.90 minutes. So I think maybe I'll do a video on that. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow or something. In the spirit of the rain, do a second athletic performance contextualization video for one of my swimming performances from the past. I was ready for the rain, but not prepared. There's a difference. If I had been prepared, I wouldn't have fussed with my music like I did. And then it cut out at a point about 0.091 miles for the rest of it. So I got, 3/4 of a mile with music of the 5.8. All right, second half. Sorry, this is more of a training reflection. I got back, and this is my typical snack, my regular snack. After my afternoon high intensity workout slot space. It's what I get for YouTube curation. I should have stopped being on YouTube 30 minutes earlier. I couldn't fully cognitively engage in time to be like, don't fuss with the music. So that makes this video a bit of a training log of sorts. Oh, it's tasting better. My taste buds are waking up. I have found sometimes eating right after a run, things taste absolutely horrible. So, my taste buds are waking up, getting back to normal. Because I got back, took a shower, and am now having my snack. On the saliva of my Noah Lyles, you know, like my Shane Cassis has tasty hazelnut saliva. And my Jacob Ingebrigtsen has saliva that changes flavors with different flavors of Kool-Aid. My Noah Lyles has saliva that tastes like a creamed, unsalted Darigold Irish butter. Instead of bird saliva, like on the James Corden show, it's man saliva. That was wonky. I should have waited 10 minutes. It got better by the end. 6 out of 10. I should have waited. I should have drank a full glass of this before I ate. So there's my training log of sorts for today. So I'm filming this in the afternoon. Monday, 19 February 2024. Thank you for joining me, Tanis Leonhardi, on my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi.